Hi, if you want to change your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25, then open Settings. From here, scroll a bit to find Wallpaper and Style tab. And after that, select your lock screen by tapping it. At this point, it will load for a few seconds and then you can tap Wallpapers and switch to different wallpaper style. For example, we can create something with AI or choose from graphical or maybe from colors. Also, we can set dynamic lock screen or find options from Galaxy Themes app. But for now, let's select this funny dog, for example. For that, I'm just gonna tap it, and after that we can also customize our lock screen if needed. You can add some widgets and so on, and then tap done to save it as your lock screen. And here it is. Also, you can set a new wallpaper right from the lock screen. For that, you need to press and hold your current lock screen, then unlock your phone, and basically do the same thing. So tap wallpapers and select something from the list. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.